Welcome to the Vredestein Academy, where we will teach you everything you need to know about your tires. Tires are one of the most important components of your car. Taking good care of them will extend the lifespan, but there are some situations in which it is necessary to replace them. In this video, we will present to you 5 scenarios why you would have to. First, punctured tires. Present-day car tires offer much protection against punctures. However, if you happen to have a punctured tire, you should, when you're driving, stop and replace your tire. If it is possible to repair the punctured tire, it should be removed from the rim to be examined for further damage. Make sure that this is handled properly by professionals. Number 2. Your tires are worn up to legal requirement. The minimum legal required tread depth in Europe is 1.6 millimeters. However, we recommend changing your tire when the tread depth reaches 2 mm. During winter, the wear limit is set to 4 mm. Winter tires with less than 4 mm tread depth in principle cease to be winter tires and are not recommended for driving during the season. Moving on to number 3, age. Yes, tires age too. The extent to which a tire ages depends on various factors. Factors like the number of kilometers driven per year, frequency and duration of use, the speed driven, regularity of tire pressure checks, weather conditions, tire load, and the storage of the tires when not used. Taking all these factors into account, it is hard to put a timestamp on when the tire should be replaced. So check the tear and wear of your tires at least once a year. Moving on to number 4, damage. There are some factors that could cause damage to the tire, such as sharp objects like nails and screws. Curbs and other obstacles also influence the durability of your tire. You should replace your tire when it is visibly damaged. Moving on to number 5. Uneven wear could be caused by many different things. The tread of a tire should wear evenly across the width from one shoulder to the other and wear regularly around the circumference of the tire. If the tire wears irregularly on the shoulders, it might indicate a problem with the car suspension or the tracking is misaligned. Uneven wear across the total circumference of the tread might indicate worn shock absorbers. Certain models of cars are more sensitive to uneven wear than others. Front-wheel drive cars are more likely to show signs of uneven wear to the rear axle. To prevent irregular wear from happening, we recommend switching your tires from front to back and vice versa when you hit the 7,500–10,000 kilometer mark. Would you like to know more about tread depth or how to store your tires to keep them in excellent shape? Then watch our other videos to learn more about your tires. Thanks for watching.